If your RingCentral phone is not ringing when someone calls, here are some quick fixes to get it working again. Open the RingCentral app and make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. If it's on, your phone won't ring or show incoming calls. Next, check call handling and forwarding. Log into your RingCentral account, go to Settings, then Call Handling and Forwarding. Make sure your device is listed under Call Handling and is set to receive calls. Check notification permissions. On a phone, go to Settings, Notifications, RingCentral. Ensure notifications, sound, and banner alerts are all enabled. Check volume and silent switch. Make sure your phone's volume is up and it's not on silent mode. Also test by calling yourself to confirm the ringer is working. Update or reinstall app. Go to Play Store or App Store, search for the app RingCentral. If there are any updates, just update it. Lastly, restart your device. This clears minor system bugs that could block the ringer. And that's it. These are some fixes for RingCentral phone not ringing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.